queda de halter tá saindo agora pro combate. O fogo tá grande, mas estamos preparados. Vamos que vamos, Amazônia viva. Nossa floresta sendo destruída, pessoal.
We are part of the volunteer brigade in Altar do Chão. We all have jobs and other things we do to make money. We are a small group, but we are loud because we realize that we need to make pressure, and it's working. Last year was 6 people walking around this area trying to put the fire down, and most of the times we did it. But now we are 25. It was 4 days fighting against the fire. We arrived here 5 in the morning, put up our drone, and then we saw a big line, kilometers of fire.
We are in a dry area into a dry season. The fire can start again like that. So we have to keep our attention and see what is good. Actually, the situation can come again.
Yesterday we found some places that we could spot smoke. There is a lot of oxygen inside. If we let this here, could start another fire. So we have to put some water to dig and wait for smoke signs. There is no natural fire in Amazon. You need to be clear about that. Always someone put fire, or on purpose, or they need to clean the area, or they need to burn the garbage, and they lost control.
I believe that is like